Okay, let's make sure that your sound is working. If you are having problems with sound on Zoom, but you are not having problems with sound on YouTube, for example, right here where it says mute your microphone, you're going to click that little arrow. Select speaker. You want to make sure that speaker is same as system. If that one does not work, or it's already on that, try a different speaker, as long as it's not the monitor, and see if that one works instead. And that should be all you have to do. If you still have an issue, please refer to the video about changing your settings on the computer, if it's garbled, so on and so forth, or please reach out to your tech. Thank you.